That's Python 3. So, my idea was inspired by the popular game Snake on Google and a little bit of Python. In this class, I learned how to program sprites, which are images that can be imported in game. I also learned the function key down, which allowed me to program something to happen when the user clicks down on a key. Code 1. The events and key press. In this block of code, an event happens, which is called the key, which happens when the user clicks on the key. In this line, it's either the key W or the key up. If that happens, the snake's direction will move, and that's the same with the other blocks of code. Load images. So these variables allow the snake body to turn directions when we're moving them, and this allows the snake's body to go at a 90-degree angle so it doesn't look like the snake got cut off. How to improve? I could improve by adding more game modes, like adding poisonous fruit or adding a certain speed of the snake. Another thing I would like to add if I were to continue on this project is to if I were to work further on this project is to make it able to have two people playing at the same time. Okay. Now here's a demonstration. So as you can see, when I press down on the keys, the snake's body moves. And when I eat an apple, it makes a sound and it disappears and changes position. When I also eat an apple, you can see that the score on the bottom right corner changes. You can also see that if I touch myself, like the body or a wall, then I also die. Thank you.